Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best devices? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best devices of all time. Today we are making videos on best 100% original Printhead Printer 53D. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box, where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name: 100% original Roland Printhead Printer. The 100% original Roland Printhead printer is a printing device that is characterized by the use of genuine Roland printheads, ensuring high quality and reliable printing performance. This printer stands out in the market due to its commitment to authenticity, using only official Roland printheads rather than third-party alternatives. Roland is a renowned manufacturer in the printing industry, known for producing high-quality printheads that are specifically designed to work seamlessly with their printers. By incorporating 100% original Roland printheads, this printer aims to deliver superior print quality, precision, and longevity. The use of authentic Roland printheads in this printer offers several advantages. Consistent print quality. Original Roland printheads are engineered to deliver consistent and vibrant prints, ensuring that the output meets the highest standards in terms of color accuracy and sharpness. Reliability. These printheads are designed to be durable and reliable lifespan, providing a cost-effective solution for businesses and professionals in need of high-quality printing over an extended period. Compatibility. 100% original Roland printheads are guaranteed to be compatible with the printer's firmware and software, eliminating compatibility issues that can arise when using third-party or counterfeit printheads. In summary, the 100% original Roland printhead printer is a premium printing solution that prioritizes authenticity and quality by exclusively using Roland's official printheads. This commitment to original components ensures that users can expect superior print performance, reliability, and Product 2. Product name: 100% original Printhead Printer. A 100% original Printhead printer refers to a type of printing device that utilizes a printhead component known as the Seiko SPT10 2035PL printhead, sometimes also referred to as the Seiko 10 2035PL printhead or SPT10 2035PL. This particular printhead is known for its high-quality printing capabilities and precision. The key feature of such a printer is its use of a genuine, unaltered Seiko SPT10 2035PL printhead. This emphasizes the authenticity and reliability of the printhead, ensuring that it is an original component manufactured by Seiko, a reputable brand in the printing industry. The use of a genuine printhead is essential to achieve consistent and top-notch printing results. The Seiko SPT10 2035PL printhead is recognized for its ability to produce prints with a resolution of 720 pi dots per inch and a drop size of 35 picoliter, including signage, textile printing, and more. In summary, a 100% original printhead printer is a printing device that incorporates the authentic Seiko SPT10 2035PL printhead, ensuring the highest quality and performance in the printing process. This printhead is known for its precision and is Product 3. Product name: 100% original Epson Printhead Unlocked Printhead. The 100% original Epson Printhead Unlocked Printhead appears to be a specialized printing component designed for use with Epson 4720 i3200 eco-solvent UV printers, particularly within the Schuli and Zeta series printer models. This printhead is identified as an i3200E1U1 head, suggesting compatibility with specific printer models in this series. The term unlocked printhead implies that this printhead is not locked or restricted by manufacturer settings, which could potentially limit its usage or compatibility with certain ink types or printing modes. An unlocked printhead may offer more flexibility and customization options for the end user, allowing them to adapt the printer to their specific needs. Furthermore, the mention of 100% original in the product description suggests that this printhead is a genuine Epson product, ensuring quality and compatibility with the specified printer models. This authenticity is essential for maintaining potential compatibility issues that may arise with aftermarket or third-party printheads. In summary, the 100% original Epson Printhead Unlocked Printhead appears to be a genuine Epson printhead, designed for specific Epson 4720 i3200 eco-solvent UV printers within the Schuli and Zeta series. Its unlocked nature may offer users greater flexibility in their printing operations, making it a valuable component for those seeking high quality and adaptable. Product 4. Product name: ZoneStar 2023 New. The original unlocked printhead printer refers to a specialized printing technology that is in high demand. In particular, it features the DX5 F1440A1 printhead, also known as the DX5 Printhead F186000, which is a critical component in Chinese printing machines. This printhead is notable for being unlocked, suggesting that it can be freely used and replaced as needed, providing flexibility and convenience for users. The DX5 F1440A1 printhead is a significant innovation in the field of printing technology. It plays a pivotal role in determining the quality and precision of prints, making it a sought-after component in the printing industry. This specific model is designed to be compatible with Chinese printing machines, which are known for their efficiency and reliability. The mention of a hot sale suggests that this product is currently in high demand, possibly due to its quality and performance. It is common in the printing industry for cutting-edge components like the DX5 printing results. In summary, the original unlocked printhead printer with the DX5 F1440A1 printhead is a valuable and in-demand technology for Chinese printing machines, offering the potential for enhanced print quality and performance in the printing industry. Product 5 Creality Ender 3S1 3D Printer. The official Creality Ender 3S1 3D Printer is an advanced and feature-rich 3D printing machine designed to cater to the needs of both beginners and experienced enthusiasts. This printer builds upon the success of its predecessor, the Ender 3, by incorporating several upgrades and innovations to enhance its performance and user-friendliness. One of the standout features of the Ender 3S1 is its direct drive extruder. This design allows for more precise filament control, resulting in improved print quality and reduced issues related to filament feeding. With direct drive, users can print a wider variety of filaments, including flexible materials, with greater ease and reliability. Another significant enhancement is perfectly leveled for each print. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners who may be unfamiliar with the intricacies of bed leveling, saving them time and frustration, while achieving better first-layer adhesion. The Ender 3S1 boasts high-precision printing capabilities, thanks in part to its double Z-axis design. This configuration provides added stability and accuracy during the printing process, reducing the likelihood of layer misalignment and resulting in smoother and more detailed prints. With its user-friendly design and intuitive interface, the Ender 3S1 is an ideal choice for those new to 3D printing. It comes with a range of safety features and safeguards to prevent common printing issues and ensure a hassle-free experience for beginners. In summary, the official Creality Ender 3S1 3D printer is a reliable and capable 3D printing machine equipped with features such as direct drive extruder, CR touch auto leveling, and double Z-axis, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users looking for printing, while still providing the advanced features desired by experienced enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.